Welcome to our channel where today we show you how to verify your Via driver account easily and efficiently. Welcome to our channel where today we show you how to verify your Via driver account easily and efficiently. If you're looking to start driving with Via and want a seamless verification process, follow these straightforward steps to get your account verified without hassle. First, download the official Via driver app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open the app and register by providing your basic information including your full name, contact details, and email address. After registration, you will see a prompt to verify your identity. This step usually involves uploading a clear photo of your government-issued ID, such as your driver's license or passport. Make sure the photo is well lit and all details are legible to avoid any delays. Next, you will need to upload your vehicle documents. Ensure your car registration and insurance papers are up to date and valid. Take clear photos of these documents and upload them through the app's verification section. After submitting your photos, Via may require a background check. This is a standard procedure to ensure safety for all riders and drivers. You may be asked to provide consent and personal information for this check. The app will notify you once the background check is complete. While waiting for approval, it is helpful to review Via's driver requirements and guidelines so you are well prepared to start. Typically, the verification process can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on your location and document accuracy. Once your account is verified, you will receive a confirmation notification via email or directly in the app. At this point, you can begin accepting ride requests and earning through Via. Remember to keep your documents updated in the app to avoid any interruptions in your driving activity. Following these steps carefully will ensure a smooth and fast verification experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tips and guides.